Hello again, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today we got one from YumYum. Basically a Tom Yum variety. Tom Yum from YumYum. Thank you very much to Ferengi from Australia for sending this my way. And we've got two seasoning sachets, a big block of noodles. It's a big block of noodles. And yeah. We're on our way. We're on our way. Making some noodles. I know. Motley Crue. I know. I know a guy. Alright? He had the chance to go visit YumYum and go to Thailand and try all these noodles at the company. I was like, dude, do it, it's great, I've been to Thailand. He didn't do it. It's like everybody in his family like warned him, oh, I don't know, that could be weird, you might not want to do that. It's like, he would have enjoyed it so much. It is freaky to go to new places and do new things. Bilbo did it. Frodo did it. Even Sam did it. Even the Tooks did it. So, yeah. Hopefully he'll get another chance to do that. Bums me out. He got to be on a TV show though. That's cool. But he would have had the full boat coolness. Yeah, he also had a problem with his foot at the time, which sucks. But I mean, I would have. I don't know. That's. Oh, you want to pay for me to travel overseas to Asia to Thailand? I'm there. Let's go. Done it, and I'm going to tell you, it was quite a wonderful experience. I enjoyed it thoroughly. It's kind of loud. So yeah, the big deal right now is all the people who are getting... we had like what? Yesterday was Indictment Day. This is post-Indictment Day. Happy post-Indictment Day. Yeah. A lot of people are in trouble. A lot. Nothing's gonna happen. Oh, I don't know about that. All I know is if I did any of these things, boy, I'd be really in trouble. We'll see what happens. What is it for you? It's late December. I know one of those big indictment cases for Trump has started. It's weird. I know a lot of people outside of the U.S. are like, what's the deal? I don't know. I really don't know why all this stuff happened. You have to learn from things that have happened. Everybody thinks everybody's out to get them. I don't think everybody's out to get you. I think there's some people that should do things a little different. That is going to be my note on that. Anyways, Tom Yum is really good. I think we can all agree on that. No? You don't like Tom Yum? Well, there is something wrong with you then. It's really good. What else is going on? There's the Hawaiian fire. We had a power outage here. We had a flicker. people have decided that means that you can't have electronic vehicles because our power grid won't handle it. Total BS. Oh, Cheetos, right? These, I've been saying it for years. They should come out with other freaking flavor of Cheetos, right? Get away from the Lay's chips. Those things, they always taste like potato. This one, chili cheese free Cheetos. I'm stoked. It's the same thing I thought about with Fritos too. I mean, chili cheese Fritos are good. What about taco flavor? What about taco Cheetos? Maybe they're finally listening. Maybe. It can be done. You can listen. Here is our noodle. Whoa, hey, that's a little much. Come on, articulating arm of fury and happiness and articulation. Noodle. The noodle has a little bit of a crumble. It hasn't sucked up all that much flavor though. I don't know. Let me try again. That's good. A very standard kind of tom yum flavor you'd expect. Kind of shrimpy, lemongrassy, a little spicy. Yes. That's good. Did you know that the former king of Thailand, instituted a program for dealing with, I believe it was for dealing with hunger, of tilapia. Like, all of a sudden, boom, everybody's got tilapia. And so there was food. There was a lot of stuff that I learned in Thailand when I was there that was really neat. They really, really, really like their royal family too, which is cool, you know? At least the people I was hanging out with. I mean, I didn't really hear any seditious talk. You know what? When I go out for tom yum, I add rice to it. So I'm going to add some of my leftover rice to it. I was told once that that means it's Thai style, but I don't know about that. It's basmati too. It's not jasmine, but it's rice. Kind of fill it out. Got my last two tiny shrimp. Little bitty shrimp. Pepper. Some coriander. No, just one. You need to scoot over. What else? Crushed red pepper. Oh, that got moved. Oh, there it is. I could have sauteed these shrimp. I do have Sriracha Paniche, which is the first Sriracha sauce. Not that stuff made in Los Angeles that tastes burnt. He doesn't like that stuff. I'm like, no, not incredibly so. It doesn't float my boat. All right, well, thank you again to Ferengi for sending this over. Maybe she'll send me some more. I'm kind of getting low on noodles. We'll see. But yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, and it helps expose more people via the wonderful, lonely algorithm on YouTube to stuff about instant noodles and cooking and all that good stuff. So, yeah, have a good one. Bye-bye.